What's up, y'all? Jason checking in here. Got the Arrma Kraton 8S. MGM ESC up in this thing with the Castle 2020 800 kV. We are running 15S today with the Gone Bananas Racing skin wheels on this thing. See how this run does today. Gonna hit track, start, stop, read, 1 mile an hour, hit track, speed is registering, start. A lot of planes out here in the air today, so gotta be very aware of what's going on around me. Let's see how this does. I don't have my usual wheels on here. These are not my usual wheels. Let's see how she does. This is GPS. Stop, read, 121. Battery went somewhere. Without it, I can't run. Oh, there she is. Shoot, we're just running back again. See how she does. I mean, the setup looks awesome. ESC looks amazing. Yeah, we'll run that back again. Why not? All right, y'all, we're back at it. Got the Arrma Kraton 8S. Okay, we had a nasty spill at 121. That joker did about like 30 cartwheels. See, there's the 121. Let's just see, we'll just run it again. Who cares? Track, start. She held up real good. That's how I build my rigs. They're getting a crash, I want them to run it good again. So 1 mile an hour, track, start. So let's try this one more time. See that? She lifted again, but I saw it. That's crazy. That was crazy, yo. That is crazy. I know y'all seen how she lifted. That is wild. Stop, read. That was 118 miles an hour. She almost flipped. So we made a suspension adjustment. That was pretty wild, yo. Hey, but either way, this setup is working really phenomenal. See, she went airborne at 118 miles an hour. Start. Stop, read, cool. Track. Speed registering, start. Let's try that again. This would be the third pass on the same charge. So we're losing a lot of mile per hour here, but it is what it is. She ain't gonna be that fast because that was the third pass. But it seemed like that little improvement to the suspension really helped out. Let's see what the speed was. Speed was, stop, read, 120. 120 miles an hour. Yeah, so you, third pass 120. First one 121. She freaking flipped. Second one 118. She got airborne. And the third one, same charge, 120. Got the MGM ESC up in here. She's running flawless. I cannot complain at all. You know, big shout out to MGM for letting me try this out. This is a solid ESC. And she's protected because she did like 30 cartwheels at 121 miles an hour and she is working good. Yeah, so we'll be back. You know, 120 ain't nothing, 121 ain't nothing, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, we're running 15S, MGM ESC, Castle 2028, 800K. It's an old motor too. I got newer ones, but we're just running an old one. Got the Gombanez Racer skin, and we're running 15S. All right, y'all, peace.